Alright guys, what is up? YouTube's complaining about me. It's not receiving enough video because it's literally just a still image, because that's the point. Let me play the music now, I guess. I have to say, there we go. Let me check. Everything should be working. So welcome to Advent of Code, day 8. I got a little bit I need to do beforehand. Oh, that's I was like, well, I hear myself talking. It's because it's my phone doing it. So I was seeing if the live stream was working, and it is. Yeah, now I can hear it. Whatever. It's whatever. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna be doing day 8 when it comes up. But first, I need to do, like I said, I've never said anything. I don't know why I keep saying that. Is not maintaining enough. Well, yeah. Anytime I hold my thing for still too long, it keeps complaining about it's not receiving enough data. It's because there's no data to receive. I don't know why it has to be so complaining. But anyways, let me actually do this live. So there we go. Everything's good. Everything's working. Everything's fine. Everything's working. Everything's fine. So I mean, let's get going. So I got to implement maze solving in 30 minutes. So a star npm package. Oh, why is it thinking I'm a bot? I'm having to do captchas. Here we go. Okay. I mean, this looks good. I mean, I don't care if it's published 8 years ago. Everything would be fine. But so how would I use this though? Yeah, but like, how do I use it? I have no idea how this package works. It doesn't give me a good example. So I will go to the next one. That's also not good either. A star. Well, let me do breadth. Here we go. Or breadth first. npm maze solving. I just need a maze solver. This is maze generation. I'll bring this over here so you guys can see it. So I need a maze solver. This has algorithms in it. Oh, which should work. Yeah, grid is a 2D array. And then as well. Okay. That actually is not too bad. So what is this? This is pathfinding algorithms. So let me install that. And it should work. Moderate severity fix. Sure, why not? Fix it. Okay. Oh, it's just up to date. I do not know why it's saying it's not receiving enough data. Like, is it just because, like, I see it has enough data up there. Whatever. So if I go to here, I'm gonna put this aside so I can see how this works. Yeah, working on improving. So okay, and then so I need to do a grid. So we need to import the classes.
Are you streaming?
I am streaming. Constant path.
I need to piss.
Okay, go do that. Go do that, man. Pathfinding algorithms. And then pathfinding dot a star dot. It's a class.
How's your English going on?
It's alright. Seems.
I don't do this. Okay. What's that? Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. I got it. So what I can do is I can require. I can have an A star. So let A star equal a class. So that's required in the pathfinding algorithms dot A star. So then I can say. So let me make a maze real quick. I also need to pull up the chat just to make sure. I still don't know why it's saying it's not receiving. Is it buffering? I'm not for sure if it's buffering or not. It's not buffering. I can tell you that. It's weird. But whatever. So anyways, let grid is equal to a 2D array, so it has to be this. But so it needs to have.
Are you gonna do your laundry?
Oh, I forgot to do that too.
So is wall. So number. I don't need weighted.
I'm gonna wait.
So just make a quick little maze.
6 minutes.
And that is what a 9 by
6 minutes.
9.
Break.
Well, actually, let me make this type of row. I'm just seeing how I can set up an A star maze solving thing real quick so I can have that for advent of code.
I watched a video on the Quake 3 inverse square root. That's crazy.
I saw that last night. I was watching you watch that.
Yes.
It's pretty neat.
This was absolutely delectable YouTube video. The algorithm's cool too, I guess.
Alright, and so that's a pretty good maze. And then it just says that I need to run. Wait, what is start and end? Or oh, it's a string. Okay. So it's a string with a start and end column separated by an underscore, it looks like. So let explored nodes path equal new a star dot start algorithm, and then I need to input some variables. So I want it to start from 1 1. Wait, which one goes first? Cell row, cell column. So basically X and Y. And it's separated by underscore, not that. And then I want it to go to, looks like 8 8, because there's 8 underscore 8. Perfect. And then the grid, which I actually need to parse. So grid. So let I equals 0, I is less than grid dot length I plus plus, and then for let j equals 0, j is less than grid of j dot length, because it's a 2D array. And then so for this I need to say grid of I j is equal to weight 0 is wall, and that's equal to whether or not the current j is equal to 0 is equal to 1. So if I were to do that and console.log the path, so explored nodes and path, and I run it, so I have to do node scripts template code / maze solving. Oh, I have to use load. I can't use require. I have to use load. So I mean a star okay, I have no idea what I'm doing. What? Well, that's a warning. That shouldn't matter. Why can't I not do it like that? So what do I need to do? It says require of ES modules is not supported. Require of an ES module file as it is a JS file whose nearest parent package contains type module which defines all. It's then renamed to end. Okay. Where's that? Package JSON type. I don't see type is equal to module, so I think I just gotta in How do I use
Skylar optimism.
do.
Yay.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Oh. That's it? Wait, that's all I have to do? Okay, well, if I need to write with the correct quotation marks, but should the import now, so import a star from pathfinding algorithms. So do I have to import all of it? Do I have to do it like this? Is it not? What? Oh, this is making me confused because I have no idea what I'm doing. So pathfinding algorithms. So no modules. Pathfinding algorithms. So algorithms, maze, no unweighted, no weighted. Okay, well. I could do just a breadth first search. A new. Oh, it's because they spelled it wrong. Okay. Cannot read property length of undefined. What? Grid of I. Are we finally? Yes. Okay. So it's saying 1 1 to 1 2. Wait, to 1. Wait. Oh, yeah, right. So 1 1 to 1 2 to 1 3 to 1 4 to 2 4 to 1 5. Then the 1 5. Seems like a to 3 4. What? Oh wait, there. That's explored nodes. Is there not a path? Because those are the explored nodes. Those is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. 0. That's the 7th one. I see what it is. There we go. So 1 to 1 2 to 1 3 to 1 4 to 1 5 to 1 6 to 1 7 and 2 7 3 7 4 7 4 6. Okay, it works. We got one that works, boys. So here's how we have to use it. So in fact, can I just use it like this? Yeah, so I have to actually import it all. But me doing this, I think I've messed up with the other ones. So like, if I were to run normal code, would that mess up? Do I have to change all my code in the last 10 minutes? So day 7. Year goes 2021. Yep, I have to do that. So, I don't need modules anymore. Do I need you? No, you're just programs, so you're good. Maze solving, You're good. I don't need this to do anymore. So you're good. So, yep. Perfect, perfect. Input. Why do I even have input? Package. I have to fix that. But now I actually have to fix all this. So, runner can't be const. It's import fs from fs. And then import
I think my timer is supposed to have gone off by now.
Yeah.
common from. Why is that? Oh, because common. Yeah. Okay. From / common.
Oh, that was me. I broke that. I just leaned back too hard and it just snapped open.
So if I run fetcher for the 8th day, will this break? What? Oh, this is runner. Runner.
We gotta start go on some adventures like we've been doing.
Cannot find common.
For real, only adventure
So-
she went on was that one time she went out with that.
What is this?
The rest of the slides are kind of funny too.
Ooh. Okay, so this is common, but like I need all this to be working. So if I do fetcher, use yes 6.
Uh-huh. Oh my goodness.
Now I think about it, I'm just gonna undo all this. So you're
Wait, I don't get
fine.
it. That's just a shadow.
Hey, yo, whose feet is this? That's so crappy.
How can
Oh,
I
wait.
tell that they're secret?
We can't.
Like, if the person who took the photo just had to be like, yeah, I know that.
Can I do that for this?
Yeah, I looked in the stall to check. They're like, what? Who's you? What?
Uh, will that work?
Yeah.
He's getting a balanced diet.
No, why could you refuse that? Get a full-time baked meal.
I'll just look at the code for bread first search and implement it if it is. And node modules. I'm not trying to break my entire system right now. Okay, yeah. Just gonna make sure everything is working. Yeah, everything's working. Everything's fine. Everything's good. Nothing is ruined. Nothing is ruined, like, at all. I'll do this later, but whatever. Okay.
That's so true.
We got bread first search, which is pretty good. So
We're gonna start it.
through the confusion, I'm just going to write the code if it's a pathfinding thing. But if it's not, then we're good. Which it probably isn't because it's the 8th day. So, all right. Well, I got everything ready. I don't have the actual advent of code up now that I think about it. I am a dumb stupid head. Give me a minute. Advent of code.
You're being a little bit too dangerous right now.
Just
You're taking too many risks.
Like what?
you're too risky.
Like standing on a spinny chair without grabbing onto something.
That's not OSHA certified.
Well, guess you can call me NSFW.
Oh yeah, it is very not safe for work.
Left and right.
So we got Advent of Code up 2 minutes until it starts. I can't believe I forgot to
I can't drive home.
put it up.
And
Okay, scripts get out of the way. Day 7 get out of the way. Part 1. Obviously, input's not there, but I can open that up. The entire stream I did like just a couple hours ago. I mean, I'm pretty ready to type code. So yeah.
also you have to like
Um.
probably gonna have to tie your limiter back in
What?
Oh yeah.
for the window. Probably gonna tie it back in
Where?
before we go.
What do you guys think is gonna be the puzzle? I think it's going to be a cellular automata. So
Yeah.
I'm ready to do it because I do have the code to do it here. Right here. It's not exactly the same code, but it will work.
How many days left to go? Literally, how many days?
10.
Wow. 10 days. And a weekend to boot and dead day.
All
So it's
right,
like
so we
4
got
days.
40 seconds until Advent of
Think about it,
Code.
4 days. And we're already
Boys
done with
ready?
one of them. Wait, no. It's 4 days. It's Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday,
All right,
Wednesday, Thursday.
so
6 days?
15 seconds
10
until Advent
days
of Code
minus
opens
3
for
days is 7 days.
for the 8th puzzle.
That's the number of days.
Right, 6, 5, 4, 3,
I did
2,
do my best.
1. Okay, so this looks like something
I
like a
did.
hexadecimal lettering. So the written rum okay, for example.
What about G-Lag?
Okay,
That doesn't count. That's on Thursday.
how many times do? Okay, so do I have the input?
Because it's an exam,
Oh!
it's not a final.
Oh,
Alex, that's quite a lot of input.
that is a lot of letters. Okay, so focus on the easy digits.
You gotta
So
understand.
that's A, that's B, C. So where's 0?
So scared.
Okay, this is 0. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Safety.
So if
Scared.
Ooh, if I had caught you, I think I would have been leveraged off the bed. We both go down.
You'd be able to work out which
fair.
digit. So
Oh yeah. I just have GNAC on.
only the only digit. Okay, so first thing first is I gotta parse
Yeah.
it.
How curious.
So,
I don't know what I have on Thursday.
Input
Besides bio lab.
let
I don't have anything.
lines equal
I might though.
that. So then input dot split for each new line. Dot for each element, and then we need to let
When
tokens
they were actors.
is
instead of
equal to
just
element
normal
dot split
people.
dot where's vertical line, and then we're only dealing with the first one, but I'm going to parse it anyway. So lines dot push pattern is equal to tokens of 0 dot split with space, and output is equal to tokens of 1 dot split. So now that we've parsed it,
What do you think I do, Genshin?
what do I need to do? Hold on. So now that I've split it, what do I do with the output? So
You don't?
wait, FG. So just FG.
So there's oral exam on Wednesday and Thursday.
You feel right for that?
GCBE. G
But like tomorrow.
GC
Yeah.
For some people.
So you're gonna try and do it on Thursday
GCBE.
instead?
Yeah, I already signed up for Thursday.
Hold on.
Oh my god.
I'm so smart.
Is this even doing anything? Is it audio? Jarvis.
Yep.
Jarvis is good.
Hold on. So dab.
He did streaming?
See, because only the 7 is the only digit that uses 3
His
segments.
videos are just like cut downs of the screen.
Oh.
Upside down Genshin.
That's... I don't want to be the Genshin experiencer.
Oh, okay.
This is for you.
'Cause
to
one only
enjoy
does-
and me to
one only has
vicariously
2.
Know about.
Okay. Okay, I got it. So, 1, and so we go through the output. So 4, let I equals 0, I is less than
The
lines
loading
dot length,
screen.
I plus plus,
Yeah.
and then 4, let j equals 0, I'm not in.
His phone has 8 gigabytes.
J is less than lines of I
Really?
dot
Two
output
last time.
dot length
Oh, this
J
is
plus plus.
gaming,
Yeah, I told you.
if
bro. Gaming,
lines of I dot output
folks.
J dot length is equal to 1 or 2,
Then you get down and do your
we need let 1 4 7 and 8 is equal, all equal to 0. 4 is equal to 0. 4 is equal to 0. That's a funny thing. So if it's equal to 1 plus plus. So 4 7 8. So 8 has, so 7
Probably shouldn't do that.
has 3.
I trust a case.
4 has 4, and then 8 has all 7 of them on.
Oh no, I have fallen asleep.
And then
Mysteriously.
1
Oh no.
1 plus
Sleep at
4
night.
plus
I can't
7
move.
plus 8. And so now if I run that, 362. Eh.
None at all.
So I got 272 on this one. Okay.
You're gonna be dirty.
So now I know after between mapping, it would only make sense. It would only make sense. So through a little deduction, now you should be able to determine the remaining digits.
Actually do it.
So,
Am I gonna fold it all? Probably not. It'll be fun.
oh, okay. So
Yeah, one more.
if you add up all the output values, so now you're supposed to go to here, and you're supposed to add up. You're supposed to figure out what each of these are. So if I go to this example here, if I know this is 8 because it has 7.
Bro, you taking your glasses?
So now I need to let decoded is equal to
Some
that.
things are getting done.
Like what?
Like the laundry in like.
Okay, so
6
then
minutes.
You said 6 minutes, like 12 minutes ago.
now I need to do
Time flies.
what I do pattern.
Damn, you're just gonna live with exactly.
So there should be 9 of them. There's 10 of them. Oh, because 0. So the only unique ones. So 0 is 6, 2 is 5, 3 is 5, 5 is 5, 6 is 3, or 6 is 6, and then so 1's on a league on its own. 2 is 5, 3 is also 5. Oh, 0 is on a 4 is on a league of its own. 5 is 5. 6 is 6. So this is how it's distributed. So
This is just like I'm just like.
depending on
But when I have my squishmallows,
depending on this. So
Falls.
this really says a lot about our society. You just hate to see things.
I hate to see lonely people.
Okay, so now since we know the pattern, if it's that specific length,
You just still
then
use your mouth.
we need to be decoded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I shouldn't be typing it all out. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. In fact, it should just be an array. I don't even know what I'm thinking about. New array 10. So, if the pattern length is equal to 1, then decoded of 1, I mean, is equal to that pattern. And same for the rest of these, except so if it's 4, then it's 7, or if it's that, it's 4, 7, 8. So that tells us that. Else, if it's not any of those links, that must mean it's either a 5 or a 6. And so if it's a 5 or a 6, so if lines pattern of j dot length is equal to 5, do this, else if it's equal to 6. So what we can do is we can actually, I think we can sort it. So let sorted equal patterns dot split based off, well, nothing. So nothing dot sort dot join. So this should be sorted. Console dot log sorted. And I'll do just 3 of them. Oh, and I need a join by nothing. 1 is not defined. Okay, well, yeah. Return 0 just for now. So, A, D, F, G, A, B, C, D, and then A, B. I'm trying to see if there's any repeating ones. So there should be 9.
Messed the
Mhm.
fuck up.
Mhm. Mhm. So for this one, A, D, F, G. Okay, so then A, D, E, F, G. What? That's not a number. Wait, how would we... Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. So, just because we know... Well,
After these two, I've only got one more.
oh, okay.
I have some more Tide Pods.
So E,
I mean, I'm
A,
not gonna do. I'm
FB.
not gonna rack up.
Well, we know...
Thing of laundry that I can't just bring home to do at my house by the time we leave, so I shouldn't be worried.
Well, the thing is, like, we have...
I was just left with no laundry. It's like, I've got the soap. I'm ready to go.
I see what we have to do.
Okay.
So...
Honestly, understandable.
Now, how do we automate that? That's a big thing. Is how do we automate this? Because obviously I'm not going to do 200 of these by hand. Let possible... Oh, well, I need to... Let possible hex equals an array. New array of 7. And 1, 2, 3. So this one is 1. So we should... I'm gonna just get this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So A... So possible hex of 3, so 2 dot push that pattern dot split by nothing, and then dot dot dot, and also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5 also needs to be pushed by that. So then this one's 4. So 4 is the 2, 5, but it's also the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. And so the 7 is 0, 2, and 5. So, and then this one is just all of them. So 2, 3, 1, 5, and so 1, 2, 3, for 0 and 6. So perfect. So now what we can do is we can console.log possible hex. I'm just gonna do that so I can add 7. That's 7. Oh wait. Wait. Wait a minute. Okay. Literally all of them were pushed. Hey, as I would say, all of them are here. So it doesn't help. I don't know why. Okay, well I don't need to sort it then.
Couldn't have gone better. I'd like to see anyone try. No, I like.
Okay, so that at least detects what the 5, 2, and 3 are. But then it needs to somehow get that right. So it needs to get that information out of the
Could you put it at least
out
on,
of here.
the top? Could you put it on like a desk?
It's on my notebook.
Or like on it on something that's not
Just
the
not.
I
not
see
not
why.
A steppy area.
Yes.
Okay.
That bitch will die. I ain't got
I'm frankly, after you get all your data off of there, I'm ready for it.
So it's kind of difficult because how do I
Need like a better
how do I
computer if
make
you're gonna keep
how do I tell a computer to do this? Because I know how to I can do
a number
this.
of things that
It's basically like a Sudoku solver,
that you need
except
better setup
for
But it's a good
I need something to write with.
It's fine, but it's fucky.
Okay.
It's fucky. Just 'cause it's
So
a
bam, bam, bam,
keyboard.
bam, bam, bam,
It's a
bam.
shitty keyboard, and there's just you need like a proper setup, man, for like doing all your things that you like to do.
Okay, so 8's kind of not going to be helpful here. So maybe I don't need to do this because 8 has all of them already.
Well, maybe you just stupid then.
Yeah,
And so
I'm fucking
7 is going to help us tell
I'll be roasted.
at least 3 of them.
Look, I'll be roasted. Look. Don't hate the play. Hit the game. Come on.
That's A, B.
Gabagoo.
This must be D.
Gabagoo.
Okay, I see what I have to do. So instead of having to add it all, I need to go through. I need to go through it backwards. So 4. So if we just use the 4, 7, and the 1, we get these two, and then the 8, and then the 8 would determine these two. The problem is that the only things that we can get, the only thing that's specific is the D, because these two would be for 4, and this one would be for 1.
Hey, Alex.
And yeah,
Do you need the airwaves to be clear?
the what?
The the
Oh.
speaking space, or can I be talking to you?
I mean, you can talk. It's just I don't know how well.
I'll keep
My
it
s-
to a minimum.
Okay, I just So if we give the 4, if we give the 4 is what? EAFB. So EAFB. So actually, I see what I have to do. So something that's in all of them, and so we have EAFB, and then ACEDFB. If it's in all of them, then that has to be in either 2 or 5, and then that would leave. So whatever is left in this one is what 0 is, and then this one is what is that 1 and 2. 0, 1, 2, 3, or 1 and 3, 1 and 3, and then you do the same sort of thing there, and then that's what's left in 4 and 6. And so, like I said, the only specific one that we have. So okay. So let decoded equal an array. So if it's 2, decode of 0 is equal basically remove all the possible hex. So no more possible hex. Decoded is actually just an array with 4 things in it, and then it's just 0, 1, 2, 3, and then we don't need this. And then we just need to console.log decode. So this tells us what the first one is, second one is, third one is, and fourth one is. So what we can do is with this decoded, I gotta put decoded and the outside here. I'm gonna just get this bigger. So if let's say mine's I, we need to go through each of them. So for I equals 0, or k is equal to 0, k is less than well, I know there's 4 in there, so we could just say, so let me see. So the ones, the 2 and 5 should have a frequency of 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then that should give us the 7 because we get rid of it.
You gotta watch my stream. You gotta watch my stream.
Okay, so let letters equal this not A equals B, A0, B0, C0, D0, E0, F0, and G0. So that should tell us that. And then go through it. And so what we can do is we can do decoded of 0 dot split by nothing dot for each element letters of element plus plus. And then decoded dot for each element, and then we can do element dot for each letter, and then console dot log letters. I guess we can just do this for now to figure out these. So we got 4 and then 2, 2, 2, and then the 1. So the 1s in C, G are in the 8. So C and G, and then the 1 letter. Okay, so A and B must be in 2 or 5. It's 2 or 5, A and B. So there's that. So then we have let 2 or 5 is equal to object dot keys of letters dot filter element based off if letters of element is equal to 4. And then we also have 4 or 6 if letters is equal to 1. And so that gets the 2 or 5 or the 4 or 6 out of the way. And then let 7, or let 7, it's whatever, let 0 equal, so it'd be the 1, so it'd be whatever. Okay, so decoded of 7 is, that's 2 dot replace 2 or 5 0 with nada dot replace 2 or 5 1 with nada. Let and then it would be 1 or 3 equals that is equal to 2 and element not equal to 0. So if we console.log all those, 2 or 5, 4 or 6, 0, 1 or 3, I was about to say, so A, B, so that it actually filtered correctly. Was not expecting that. Cool. So, and then decode it's not defined. Correct, because it's not defined. So now that we know where each of these go, we'll pull admin of code back up. Now that we know where each of these go, now how are we going to figure out the 3 letters? So C. So C is if I look here, a 4 or 6. So that would be a 4 or 6. So how I would, so C would be, so C, D, F, B, E, so 4 or 6. D would be a 0, no matter what. F would be a 1 or a 3. So, and then a 1 or a 3 there. And then B would be a 2 or 5. So 2 or 5. And then 2 or 5. 2 or 5. 2 or 5. And then E.
30 minutes.
Wait.
And then
Less
E
than.
would be a 1 or a 3.
Get the fuck off of Minecraft.
Which would be the opposite of this one.
Get the
So,
fuck off of Minecraft.
So be opposite of whatever F is. I see the problem.
Right.
And then which one would be like a viable thing? I need to see a little bit of help from the Reddit. Well, I have that. I was gonna say, everyone has their part 1. What? Okay. Wait. Oh, I didn't think about that. Okay. I knew. So, what I could do is I could take, so say, a 5. Well, let me write them all out. Let me see which one's the most efficient to be taken out. And then a 3. I was about to say, if you just remove whatever, so we know, yeah, we can do this. Oh yeah. Decoded. Okay. So we already know what the decoded is for this one because they're already unique. So we don't need to do any of this. In fact, element dot length is equal to 4. And that's decoded 1. So that will give us this, depending on what the length is. So 2, 3, and then 7. So I mean, obviously we can console.log decoded just to see this. Okay, so yeah, that's right. And so what we can do is we can say decoded 3 is equal to find where it's equal to 5, where the length is equal to 5, which is one of the not unique ones. And if we remove whatever is in 1, it gives us a length of 2. And if we do element dot split dot remove duplicates to arrays. There we go. Dot filter and element dot split this one's gonna be, hold on, so when we do let split is equal to element dot split, let decoded 1 split as well. So then what we can do is we can say return split dot length is equal to 5 and split dot filter and then element, or I'll just do Ella here, and then split dot filter Ella dot, and then split dot index of
Coral sucks mega balls.
of 1 Ella is equal to -1. I mean, I'm looking at some code from, and so instead of array, we need to do split. This needs to be 1.
God damn it, Alex. I can't remember the Coral syntax now that I did fucking...
No! I can't believe you. Okay, decoded. So 3. Oh, we can't find it. Not element dot split. Decoded of 1 dot split. There we go. And so now, if we check what 3 is, FB. Okay, yeah. So good. That's good. So then we can do the same for 5, but instead if we filter it with the fourth one, I'll just do other, just so so this could be, I can copy and paste it. So if it's 5 and then decoded 4 and then it's 2. So then if that's 5, where's my admin of code? 5 CD, yep, okay. So yeah, I got a working strategy. And then finally 2 split dot length, and then element is not equal to decoded 3, and element is not equal to decoded 5. And so that should give us the second one. It is not.
Yeah, wait, hold on. I just gotta click frenzy.
I have to do this decode. Alright, not 5, 2. And this one doesn't need a return.
It's simulating the fake coding language that we had to learn for GNAG.
There we go.
I can just tell you that.
Do it then.
Alright, go back.
I have to make a program!
Undefined.
Yeah, so did we all.
And so did we all.
Check this.
Wait, dollars per month?
It's the exact same as like that other one that we did. Or that one required homework problem that we did.
Decoded 2 is equal to patterns. Not element is equal to 5. Element dot length is equal to 5. There we go. So now that we have those two, now we can do the same thing, but for 0. So let me do 0. Hold on. 0. Okay, if you do that, and then how's 6 formatted? How is it formatted? Where are you? 6. Okay. And then 9. So good news, if I format 6 with 1, it should leave us with 5, and leaving the others with 4. So that should be able to get rid of 6. So that's one of this one. So this is 1. So if it's equal to 6, and if it's equal to 5, yeah, 5. And this is for 6. And then 6, so 6, if I can find my admin of code again. What was 6? 6 was CD. Okay, yep. So finally, wait, what? 3, 2, 4. Okay, I copied and pasted it too many times. Boom. So then we need 9. So let me see if you plug in. Okay, they both be 3. If you plug in 4 here, it'd be 2. Oh, but it'd be 3. Okay. So it's basically the same thing as the one before, except instead of it being 5, the length of 5, 6, 6, and this is being not 6 and 9. This is 0, and then this is 9, and then if you plug in, if you put 4, it should be 2. Yep. Okay. Now, oh, here we go. So 0 cage AB, and then 9 is okay. Yep. So we have filtered it. Good job, me. And so now we need to take the output So let number equal that. What is it? Lines of I dot output dot for each element. Number plus equals. So we have element. So decoded dot index of elements. So if this all works, we should get 5353. -1, -1, okay. Console log element. Wait. Oh, we have to sort it. And index of dot split. This is where we would sort it. Dot sort. Dot join. Okay, not. We need to do that for all of these. Doop. 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 Doop, 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 doop. 2323. So that's not. It's almost correct, but it's not quite correct. So let me console.log decoded. So the one, so two, so B, C, D, F, B, C, D, E, F. Oh. They, as would say, they shouldn't have the same one. Yes, they shouldn't have the same one. 5 and 2. Yeah, no, so something went wrong in this 5 and 2 logic. So if you would say, so 4, it should be 2, it should be 3 there. There's a bug in my program, which isn't a shocker.
We need to prioritize Toolsmith and Armorsmith max level ups.
It would get rid of the. It would get rid of the BF, so it'd be CB. And then this would get rid of. This would get rid of these two. It's, I don't know why it wouldn't be working. CDF. Wait, so this is for 5, right? Which is right. Trying to see. There's only 2 of those. Yeah, so yeah. B, C, D, E, F. So something wrong with 2, which should be A, C, D, F, G. Oh, it's because I'm going to do the split dot sort after all. And then decoded dot map element dot split dot sort dot join. And so that should fix that. And split dot sort dot join. Okay, a whole bunch of negative ones. Okay.
Yeah.
Console.log decoded.
No, the paper guy is in our house.
Uh-huh.
It did terrible on it. Is there only 1 attempt? Oh, it's supposed to take 6 twice.
So then it
I'm
should
not
be decoded of index.
We're 33 out of 45. Because of the way that it's formatted.
Yeah, it's formatted like trash.
Like, how can you
Okay,
upgrade
there
on
we go.
typed
Finally,
responses?
God.
That's some bullshit.
Yes.
That's stupid.
So
5 out
then
of
we
10,
need.
5 out of 5, 5 out of 5.
I'll leave that there.
Hilarious.
Let sum
I'll
equal
say
0.
that
Return
1.6
sum.
out of 5?
Sum plus equals parse
This was that,
int
did I do anything wrong
number.
Uh,
Alright, finally. So now if I were to confirm this.
Then put num1 to output. If num2 is greater than num1 and num2 is greater than num3, put num2 to output. Else, put num3 to output.
It's greater than or equal to.
yeah, it's good.
What?
That's what I heard from someone else.
Why?
Because they're evil.
I need my actual input.
Oh, I mean, are they like? I
That
guess
doesn't
I'll
seem
understand
right.
One day. I'm not a coder.
No, it's just some bullshit.
Oh, because I have to go through all of it.
How did I do this? How did I do this wrong?
The question 5 or the question 4?
Question 4.
There we go.
So you got.
Oh,
It's this
please be
standard
right. This took
deviation.
so long.
I didn't
Oh
get
my
that.
god, it's not right.
I think they just wanted 3.
Why did I do that?
Because I put 2.8.
That's fucked up.
But yeah, question 3 was false because they didn't do the dependent variable as the x-axis. Or they didn't do the independent variable as the x-axis.
This is a better graph anyway.
No, it's not. Because, like, time would be the independent variable.
Yeah, but like, I like the way this graph looks better than the way it would have looked the other way.
You're silly.
Why did I do? What's wrong about this? This is all correct.
Did you put m to the
Let me
second,
see
you put
what's
s,
happened.
you were supposed to
If that's
put,
right.
So, A was supposed to be
Um,
brown.
oh, that's not right.
Or A was supposed to be J.
A should be.
So we got.
It's meters squared over
Eight
seconds
three nine
squared.
four
in order
nine
to make
seven eight one
joules.
1197
That's correct.
9361 4873
You're making an equation for the constant.
Oh,
That's exactly what I'm doing.
Yeah,
The
but
constant 0.90 should be meters squared per second.
no, but it's Q divided by. So it's Q divided by the.
For a minute.
I'm sorry.
I love it. Not right in this moment.
I see what it could go wrong.
Maybe the Q's gotta go somewhere. So it would have been J over meters.
No.
Yeah.
No. The whole point is that the units have to be the same on both sides. So the Q is in joules.
Yeah.
Which is meters squared per second squared times fucking mass. So this unit, because this is mass,
So this is 0. That's
and
1.
this
That's
is change
2.
in time, change in temperature,
That's
then this should be
3. That's
meters
5.
squared per second squared degrees Celsius. That's what that unit has to be in order for the units to be equal on both sides.
And then
So I was
need to
right,
do
It
line.
was wrong.
They just wanted J. They just wanted J over.
Bag C.
Like they wanted it to be joules.
So that's A,
just
B,
wanted
C,
to
E,
just
G.
be J joules
A, B, C,
over.
E, G. So that's, yeah, that's
grams
2.
Time.
Grams.
But that's not
Celsius.
right. I see.
That's what I did on the second part.
Yeah, you thought too hard.
I did better than they
Wait, so hold
wanted
on.
me to do, and they punished me for it. I did more work. You know what? Fuck it. I'm taking the exam tomorrow, and if it's not hand graded paper tests, I'm just gonna walk out of the
It's
exam.
paper test.
I'm gonna walk out of the exam. It's not a paper test.
So if I do 3 and I do
Very, very evil. I'm sorry. I was very upset there for a minute.
You're fine.
That's on me. Not okay. Unacceptable.
Yeah.
Let me see what my assignments are. Back at it.
I should probably head back soon.
It's time. It's true. I might even go to sleep at a good time.
Oh. Yeah, I can't do that because
Lab 8 post quiz, who needs it? Nova Evolution Lab mini report? Not for me. Turn in Lab 9 mini report.
well, I mean, I can
here.
also just do
HHM. The fuck?
and
No, all of that is long past. Yeah, it doesn't even exist. Okay,
and
great.
element
post
is not
test,
equal to decoded.
Chapter 30 balls, smart stick,
I can do that same
Lab
thing
10
for
post
here.
quiz. Oh, everything due tonight has been turned in.
Is not equal to
Absolutely
3.
amazing.
There we go. Split undefined at 7. Oh wait, oh. 6-1, okay. 6-1-2-2-9. Okay, that is right. Oh, Can I put in the actual input and it be right? That's a big old number. Please. Can you put your code in chat when you're done? Yes, I can. Why? Oh, it's because it's over here. Oh! Oh, I did it! Oh, it took me an hour. Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, I did it. And I was actually, it's not that bad of a rank because I have no idea what.
You need to stick around for a little bit longer,
Oh.
or can you get off?
There we go.
I'm good.
Let me get rid of all these console.logs. Hold on. Console.log. Don't need this. Okay, there we go.
Sure.
Whew! That took a long while. Finally got it done though.
Thank you.
Oh, okay, complete. Okay, you're done. Whew. That took way too long. Thank you. Oh,
Wait, can I try one more thing? Oh, put your
that took absolutely way too long. Oh my god. Okay.
Hey!
Alright, cool.
Almost exactly an hour, though.
Yeah, I know.
What was the challenge of the day?
It was. It took me, as I would say, it took me an hour and 59 seconds to solve the second puzzle. So,
Jeez.
the puzzle was you're supposed to take this string of random characters and like parse it to where you can get a number in this like the 7-digit display.
Oh, that's
But the problem is that every single line is a randomized digit. So like, you know, it says A, B, or for, well,
yeah.
A, B, C, D. It's randomized for every single line. So you have to figure out through this output which each letter, like each number this is, and then decode this number.
Oh.
That's day 8. I don't know why they shot us in the face with a day 8, like day 8 for this one.
I can't even begin to understand the problem. I would have to read through it.
Well, I mean, I was about to say, it took me a while. Like the first part, it didn't take me that long because I didn't have to take that long on it. But the second part took me a whole hour. So let me do day 8 finally. Actually, day 7. I need to edit. I need to edit
I was worried
this.
I couldn't do that.
Or not
You wanna
this.
try?
Is it day 6? One of these has common when it doesn't need common. This one.
Oh my gosh!
And then there we go.
Damn, you had it though for a minute.
Yeah.
And so I got the input. I got part 1 and 2. We should be good there. Day 7
The
is
sequence are just
good.
low. Also,
Is day 4
you
good?
haven't
Day 4
stretched
is
at
good.
all.
Okay,
So if you don't want to
we should be good.
pull any muscles in your
Since I've done this, I'm going to push it now.
just go this way. Ta-da!
Alex and his computer.
I'll just grab onto this.
It's no good way, Jack.
Oh wait, this is pop. I was like, why is it not?
Another day. Another
Day
week,
8
another dollar.
finally.
Another piss, another caller.
What?
All right,
You
If
didn't
you
have
want
push
that.
origin.
You didn't have that saying in your house?
Fuck that.
All right.
Did you say another piss? Another color?
Let me put the link in the chat for that one dude.
Any agreeers? Any
Yeah,
agreers? Nope.
8,
Alex
8,
would agree
eight,
if he wasn't streaming.
8. Okay, there we go. Put that in the code.
I'm just saying.
That's it. Stream over. I'm done. This was too much effort. It took me a whole hour. I'm done. Goodbye, guys. It's good. Mwah. Goodbye. Stop. In stream.
Alex, don't you